Hello everybody. We are here at Lanai, the cat sanctuary, and this is one of the attractions in Lanai to visit the Lanai cat sanctuary. And if you are a cat lover, you will surely enjoy it. Look at the different kinds of cats, and they give you a small tour along with the cat food. And look at this cute little cat. She's resting here. And this is Giant Park. And this cat is so majestic. Look at her. And this cat sanctuary has lots of cats, and they take good care of the cats. And there is somebody feeding the cats. And there are lots of places for the cats to rest, especially when it rains or if it is too bright and sunny. The cats go inside and take rest. There are so many cats who are lazily spending the afternoon here enjoying. So if you're a cat lover, you must visit the cat sanctuary here at Lanai. Very beautiful, and pet lovers, animal lovers will enjoy the cat sanctuary. Lots of swings, resting places for the cats to take rest, enjoy a good meal, and visitors come here and enjoy feeding the cats. If you are a cat lover, you must visit the Lanai Cat Sanctuary. Feed the cats, pet them. They will enjoy your touch, and you can feed the cats. They will also give you the cat food, and it's a good place to spend time here in Lanai. You can come from Maui to Lanai using the passenger ferry. Look at my video for a detailed description about the expedition passenger ferry that takes you from Maui to Lanai. Try to book it ahead of time because reservations get filled out very fast. Try to come here early morning, 6:45 or the 9:45 ferry. Spend the whole day, visit the cat sanctuary, the Sheraton Hotel, visit the beach, and go back on the same day by the evening ferry. So you will really enjoy your day here at Lanai. There's not much population here, and do visit the cat sanctuary, enjoy your stay. And if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Globetrotter Sarkar. Thank you and mahalo.